Case name Dr. Tanga, age is 59 years and today date is 8th of April 2024. And complaint of change in voice from 18th January 2023 after thyroidectomy, and the ENT finding is left vocal cord paralysis and right vocal cord paralysis.
Yes.
So why you came here? Tell me.
Actually, since my voice has not yet come out fully, even after 1 year, then I came to know through YouTube that this center is available here. So, expecting some improvement.
How it's affecting your day-to-day life, this voice?
Actually, I'm teaching in the Vedic college. So, taking the classes.
Voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy, and today date is 15th of April 2024. So why you came here and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
So I come from Mizoram. Since I'm having voice problems, I just came down here to do voice therapy.
So why the voice problem started?
Actually, it was due to thyroidectomy, and my left vocal fold was found to be paralysis, and the right one is found to be paralyzed.
Okay, so how it's affecting your day-to-day life?
Since I am the teacher in the college, due to my voice, I cannot continue my lecture as it should be.
Yeah, so of course your treatment is not completed. We'll be giving some online voice therapy session also. It will be a kind of hybrid mode. But in this 8 days, any changes you are observing in your communication?
Of course, when in only very few days, I don't expect much, but I think I find some smoothness in my speech.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And can we use a video for awareness purposes or social media pages?
Yeah, and use it.
Okay, thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, please write in the comment box if you are able to see any positive change before and after treatment voice sample. And thank you. And of course, we'll be uploading your final video also. Like today is the first we recorded, and then second recording is today, and third recording will be at the end of the treatment. So all three will be coming. In fact, third recording will be the online method. So we'll be joining together in the future. We'll be uploading.
Okay.
So thank you. Thanks for watching.